yourself on a plane. So let's go ahead and get started with the video.
So first we need to get the plane landing clips from YouTube. So just go to YouTube and here go to the search bar and here type in plane landing engine view. Now here you can choose one of these clips from here. This first clip looks really cool, but in this case we will be choosing this clip over here. Now just go ahead and click on that clip. Now just pause the video right there. Now just go to the search and now before YouTube just type in SS. Now here it's going to take you to savefrom.net website. So you want to just click on download. It's also going to redirect you to like a different separate advertisement website. So just exit out of that website real quick. And so you see it downloads are like pretty fast. So just go ahead and play the clip now. Now as see it's like full quality and like working and like yeah. So yeah, now what you want to do, you want to just film your green screen clip on like one green screen, green/blue screen with yourself and like maybe like a fan and like maybe your phone or your camera mounting on a tripod or something. Then once you've done that, you want to go to your editing software. Now here you just want to go ahead and import the video clips real quick. So my video clips are saved on this folder, so I'm just going to import those video clips real quick. So it's called YouTube 1. So go ahead and press OK. Now see, these are the clips that we're going to be using. So first what you want to do, you want to take your plane landing clip and you want to place it where the timeline is. Now here you want to place your green screen clip right on top of that one. Now we're just going to move it a bit forward so we don't have the credits at the first part. Now we're going to cut it from here until there. Yeah, that's good. So now we can just bring the cursor where the green screen clip finishes and cut out the plane landing one. Now we can delete this clip here. Okay, so now we have these two clips that we're working with, but just this plane landing clip doesn't have like really nice excitement. But this clip on the other hand has lots of people like cheering on and talking. So just right click on that. Then you just want to click on detach audio. Now you can delete that clip because we don't need to use it. Just push the audio clip back and delete the rest. Okay, so now these three clips are what we're going to be working with in this video. Now just double click on the green screen clip and here you're going to see chroma key. Just click on chroma key. And also on some softwares, if you just right click, you're going to see green screen effect. So yeah. So now here you can just go ahead and like play around with the properties until like where you like it to be. And also if you're not satisfied with the properties later, you can go back and change that. So we are gonna be keeping it like let's keep it over here. Yeah, that looks good to me. Okay, so now we can just crop the part where there's no green screen over there. So we can just click on the green screen clip and crop that out. Okay, but this thing does let us crop the width and height by itself. So we're just going to go ahead and click on customs over here. Okay, now here we can customize the width and height. So let's just bring it like a bit more down here. Okay, that looks good to me. We have some space on the top, so we can just yeah, so we can just go ahead and make that to the very top so we have more space. Okay, and that looks good to me. Okay, so now just go ahead and press done or okay. Okay, so now we can also crop the plane landing clip too. So I'm just going to cut it until where the engine is and without the window there. Okay, so that looks good to me. Then also you can reposition the plane landing clip too, and also now in this case we're going to be repositioning by itself because the plane's engine is like humongous, so we have to be small. So just make yourself a bit more smaller. Okay, that looks good. Now just put yourself back on the plane landing engine. Okay, that looks good to me. So now you can always go back and play around with the green screen properties if you're not satisfied enough. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, that looks good to me now. So just press OK, and now let's watch the clip. Okay. This part we're like floating up, so we can just reposition ourselves again. Okay, that looks good to me. Okay, let's play the clip again. Last part, the plane landing clip disappeared, so we're actually just gonna cut this thing from here. So we're gonna cut this part, we're gonna delete the rest of here. Now we're gonna whoopsies, so that's why we have an undo button there, I guess. So let's bring the cursor back over there. Okay, let's split from here again, delete the rest. The good thing we noticed that. Okay, split it, delete the rest. Okay, now we're just gonna make the plane landing engine view clip a bit more bigger. Okay, that looks good to me. So now, just wait for it to render, and it does render for like a smooth playback. So now you can go ahead and export the movie now. So you can change the name and save it to different locations. In this case, I have it saved to my desktop. Okay, so just wait it to export the whole thing. Okay. So now as it's done, you can just close out of those real quick. Now let's see how the clip turned out. Hey, that looks good so far. Hey, we're surfing on the plane. Hey, and if you're wondering why I'm saying stop to the pilot that like, don't make me get off this, I can stay on here. Hey, but I guess the pilot was saying the right thing. Okay. So that's how the clip looks. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, for all my YouTube videos, and yeah, peace out, boys.